Hey there, plumbing enthusiasts. Ever get a call about a mysterious leak in the basement? That's what happened to me recently. It turned out the culprit was a tired 12-year-old water heater. Fun fact. Did you know the average lifespan of a water heater is around 10 years? This one was pushing its luck. Luckily, we caught it before things got out of hand. The customer decided to upgrade to a fancy new 50-gallon water heater with all the bells and whistles, including a whistle, because why not? It was basically a Christmas miracle for their plumbing. But jokes aside, it's important to choose the right size water heater for your home. Too small and you'll run out of hot water faster than you can say, "Brrr." Picture this. You're the proud owner of a water heater, standing tall and mighty in your basement, faithfully providing you with warm showers and clean dishes. But lurking in the shadows are potential water-related disasters waiting to strike. Here's why adding these extras is like giving your water heater a superhero upgrade. 1. Expansion. Tank. Think of this tank as a pressure relief sidekick for your water heater. When water heats up, it expands. Without an expansion tank, this increased pressure can cause your water heater to rumble and shake like a monster in a bad mood. But with the expansion tank, it absorbs the extra pressure, keeping your water heater calm and collected. 2. Water alarm. This little gadget is like a water superhero's sixth sense. It detects leaks early, sounding the alarm before a small leak turns into a flood. It's your water heater's way of saying, "Hey, we've got a problem here." 3. Drain. Pan. The drain pan is like a catcher's mitt for your water heater. If a leak occurs, the drain pan catches the water, preventing it from seeping into your basement or utility room and causing a soggy mess. 4. Flood stop. This is your water heater's last line of defense against a catastrophic flood. If a leak is detected, the flood stop springs into action, shutting off the water supply to your water heater, preventing further damage. 5. Bonding cable. This is like giving your water heater a lightning rod. It helps prevent electrical shocks and damage by safely redirecting electrical currents away from your water heater. So by adding these extras, you're not just protecting your water heater, you're also safeguarding your home from potential water disasters. It's like giving your water heater a full set of armor against leaks and floods. Installing a water heater is like playing plumber Jenga, especially with gas involved. So we shut everything off, disconnected the pipes, and even took apart the furnace flue pipe like a plumbing puzzle. We're the masters of pipes after all. Here's another plumbing fact for you. When working with gas lines, always remember lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. After draining the old tank and cleaning the area, we brought in the new one. I even used a special belt trick to lift it into place like a plumbing magician. Speaking of magic, did you hear about the magician who disappeared after fixing a leak? He vanished in a puff of pipe smoke. We connected everything up, making sure to follow the code to a T, including the expansion tank, flood stop, and bonding cable. Leak check, fire up the unit, and voila, problem solved. So, that's how a leaky basement turned into a plumbing adventure. And hey, at least we got some new plumbing jokes out of it. But remember, folks, if you ever have a plumbing problem, don't try to be a hero. Call a licensed plumber. We're the real superheroes of leaky basements and clogged drains. Why did the plumber subscribe to the plumbing magazine? Because he wanted to stay current with all the latest pipe trends and flow with the industry news. So, if you want to stay current with plumbing tips, tricks, and more, don't pipe down. Subscribe now. Don't let your plumbing knowledge go down the drain. Subscribe today for a flow of plumbing goodness straight to your inbox.